So in this video, I'm going to go over really quickly how the web chat function works. So when you log into your account, you'll see over here you've got your control panel, dashboard, and then you want to go to conversations. Under conversations, it's going to default to the unread messages. So if you're going back to look at a conversation you've already responded to, you'll have to click all right here. And then of course you can star conversations if you want to keep them at the top. But when you first get a new conversation message through your web chat, they're going to fill out the web chat form with their name and their phone number, and they're going to type in a message. That message will come into this platform right here, and you can respond right here. You'll notice at the bottom of the page, this is under the send SMS function. If they give you an email, or they're in your database with an email, there will also be a function to respond by email. So you can respond to these communications either way. It makes it super easy. And if you are using the full CRM, when this person messages, the system automatically puts their name and phone number into the database, and then you can assign it to whoever needs to follow up. So very simple. If you're only using it for communication in these conversations, you just click here and respond, and you can text back. You can do this on the go through your mobile app, and that way clients who have questions will get in touch with you and you can respond immediately before they even move on to contact the next person.